Kakin hun jaj benru Garo kibasa ha Shnong Khasi Hills hapo ka Shatri jongka all Khasi Hills Aceh Federation AKHAF ha kasngi sajan kila kentai ya kajing penbena ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ka baong bakamla ban kenthop ya kajing long Rangbah Shnong ki Garo kibasa ha kijaka bat Shnong Khasi ya kene kajing yalang ka balak long ha nong spung ka bahap hapo ka pilang kata police outpost ha ka bapalat lais pa angot kinong Shnong Garo kila simbenta ha ka jinyalang bala pelong daka AKHAF hapo ka jinyalam o seri mina di Marak President Ribhoi District Women Weng Sunita Momin Vice President General Secretary Khadc Sangma Ribhoi District Unit ha ka jingdon lang kidkot ka Central Executive Committee Clifter CH Marak, Presiden Bat Manual CH Marak, General Secretary Nelor Kiwe. Pakran sekilat patai kubon na kaliang seri mina di Marak, Bat Manual CH Marak, kilap penrem ya KHDC, bakal wanra ada kemotion na kebil hapo kaying dor bat hawain ke District Council Station, kabaong halor ke jingweng ya ki Garo na ke jinglong Rangbah Shnong, hakino kino Shnong basak ki Garo ki badai Shnong Khasi. Kita ki arngot kinong yalam ke AKHAF kila banjur ya kijing dawa ban Weng no ya katei kabil trong ka KHDC hapo a Taïew lada ka KHDC kamsim kya ya kene kin sa shong jing alang biang bansim sa kiwei kijing ya ki bating
Thank you for everything, first of all, for your coming and helping us to disclose our plan and our sentiments. Our motto and our demand is we have been seeing that what this KHDC has resolution has passed in the KHDC. So it's a very much sentiment to the Garo people, those who are residing in the Khasi Hills area, southwest Khasi Hills and entire Khasi Hills. The headman power is snatched away by Garos. That is very much wrong. We never tried to snatch away the headman power because since from 18th century we are practicing this and we never harmed to any other Khasi Britons, and today also we will try to exercise the same traditional cultural rights. And we have seen that the KHDC has passed this bill, but this bill, this amendment and this bill is not acceptable, and we will fight if they don't scrap this bill. Then we will also continue to fight for our rights. We are indigenous people. We are living here since from 18th century. We are not foreigners. We are not from any other country. So in other states also, like Tripura, Arunachal, and Assam also, all over in India, we have been practicing very democratically. And here also, being as a own state, we should have practice this, and we should continue, and they should give us. If they don't allow also, we will continue because it's our right. And this state is belong to three sisters, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Why they are bringing this such kind of communal things, this issue? This is very much irritating and very much bad issue for us.
So today, as with the organization, All Khasi Hills Aceh Federation, so we are here and we had discussed the various issues which is going on nowadays. So that issue is about the headman. So headmanship. So from the district council, so they had removed the headmanship of the Garo people who are residing over here in the Khasi Hills region. So from our organizations, Akhaf, so we had seen and we had verified the ongoing situation, how this issue had come up. So we had found many things here, but then so it's not about like this issue should remove the headmanship from the Garo community. So here I would like to say that to the government of Meghalaya and the district council, I have one question that. So we the Garo community, so we have right to practice our traditional culture in our village or in the society. So we are practicing this cultural, traditional cultural. So as per our concern, so we have seen that if there is no headman in the village, so how he will lead the village? So that is the main thing. So here we can understand that, and every community has their head. So I know that Garo, from the Garo community, has their traditional head in the Garo Hills, and here in the Khadc Hills region, it has the Khadc traditional head. So, but one thing that here we want to say that, and we want to explain our grievances that. So, since we the tribal and the community of this area, community of this Khadc Hills region, we are staying here. We are not staying in Garo Hills. So wherever we stay, we have our right to practice our traditional culture.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center